Protect baby's eyesight. The built-in LED soft and delicate lighting of the piano gym protects the baby's eyesight and promotes visual discrimination and development. There are many products available to choose Baby Jim's Play, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best Baby Jim's Play from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Fisher-Price Baby Gym and Activity Mat. About this item. Infant activity gym with 4 ways to play as baby grows: lay and play, tummy time, sit and play, take along. 3 smart stages learning levels introduce animals, colors, shapes, numbers, and real piano notes. Large keyboard with 5 light-up keys, removes for take-along play. 5 repositionable toys: self-discovery mirror, elephant teether, crinkle panda, lion rattle, and monkey cymbal clackers. Super soft and thick, machine washable play mat features loops to attach toys. Number 2. Enner's Baby Jim's Play Mats Musical Activity Center. Early Development Playground. The playmat provides a much interactive activity center for babies, including 5 detachable colorful hanging rattles and graceful piano music, which can be used for lying, sitting, tummy time, take along. They exercise the coordination of limbs, promote the development of the baby's back, and the development of fine movements of the hands. Little music performer: a key and a beautiful note of the Baby Gym will produce a beautiful sound when in piano mode. You can adjust the angle of the piano board according to your baby's playing posture as you like, and your baby will have fun. Protect baby's eyesight. The built-in LED soft and delicate lighting of the piano gym protects the baby's eyesight and promotes visual discrimination and development. Flashing interesting lights also makes playing more interesting and attractive. Number 3. Wooden Baby Play Gym Foldable Baby Play Gym. About this item. Comes with 3 wooden toys and 2 soft toys. Baby Gym is a gorgeous first toy that will stimulate your baby and encourage him to reach and grab for the dangling toys and beads. Baby Play Gym featuring 6 toys that stimulate your baby's senses. Baby really liked to hit his Montessori bell on his wooden Baby Gym. It's good for developing hearing and learning sounds toy bell at the appropriate age. Number 4. LADIDA Stage-Based Baby Play Gym 4-Zone Sensory. 4-Zone for sight, touch, hearing, and concentration development, crafted with 4 Montessori-inspired development zones. My first palette play gym is not only adorable, but is incredible for your baby's development. The colors pattern and 8 colorful ribbons on the baby mat stimulate visual development. The mat offers 2 types of textured shaped silicone toys: star textured ring, black and white colored plush ring, knotted strings designed to stimulate touch and sensory. Boost cognitive development. The interchangeable soft toys with crinkle, rattle, and jingle sounds illustrate cause and effect and boost knowledge of patterns, colors, shapes, sounds, and self-discovery. These are vital to your baby's cognitive development. Develop baby's concentration with 20 PCS interchangeable character cards in early stage colors of black, white, and red. Designed and engineered with high-quality soft fabric for baby's comfort from newborn and up. Mat can be machine washed and cleaned. Please see instructions for directions. Number 5. Enner's Baby Jim's Play Mats Musical Activity Center. Baby Piano Gym. This baby play mat provides an activity center for babies, including 5 detachable rattles and a piano. Pressing makes beautiful music that can be used for lying, sitting, and kicking. Musical note: cultivate little musical genius. A key and a note from the Baby Gym will produce a beautiful sound. Rhythmic tapping develops the baby's sense of music, cultivating their artistic talent from an early age. Heavy check mark: high quality and safe, obtuse angle design, without burr to avoid bumping and scratching. Our baby mat is made of high quality, non-toxic materials so that the baby can lie or play even when he is naked. Easy to clean and carry. Our Baby Gym play mat is machine washable so that it's easy to clean after playing. Also, it can fold to pack easily, suitable for playing indoors or outdoors. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.